Ideas for window treatments. 5 ways to accessorize with drapes, blinds, and shutters. Window treatments are an essential part of any home decor as it provides us with privacy and protection from the sun, and add a pop of color to our living spaces. Decorating your windows with beautiful drapes, blinds, and shutters can also make your room look more spacious, cozy, and unique. However, selecting the right window treatment can be overwhelming due to the vast array of styles and materials available. This blog will provide you with 5 creative ways to accessorize your windows with drapes, blinds, and shutters to upgrade your home decor. Layered window treatments. Layering different window treatments like a sheer drape, blackout blind, and plantation shutter gives your room a modern and stylish look. Layering can also help you control the amount of sunlight that enters your room while providing you with quite the privacy you need, and add texture to your living space. You can go for a sheer drape with a patterned blind or vice versa, or a plantation shutter with a drape in the same color palette. Bold and colorful window treatments. Adding a splash of color to your interior design with bold and colorful window treatments is a game changer. It will make your living space look lively, cheerful, and eye-catching. You can go for bright colored drapes or combine different shades of one color for a more stylish look. Whereas, for blinds, you can go for a patterned or textured design to add contrast and depth to your room. Motorized window treatments. If you're looking for luxury, convenience, and elegance all together, motorized window treatments are a perfect choice for you. Control your window treatments with a single click on a remote or voice command with a virtual assistant, from wherever you are in your house. These custom blinds make your life more comfortable, efficient, and add a sense of luxury to your room. Natural window treatments. Add warmth and a rustic feel to your living space by adding natural window treatments like bamboo blinds, woven shades, or wood shutters. Natural window treatments bring a natural touch to your window and provide harmony with the greenery outside your window, not to mention the earthy texture woven shades and bamboo blinds can add to your room's aura. Charming curtain rods. Choosing a curtain rod that complements your window treatment not only blends the style, pattern, and design coordinately but also makes your window treatment look more appealing. A decorative or vintage curtain rod provides a unique touch to your interior design and adds extra charm to the whole decor. Window treatments play a crucial role in home decor, and there are a lot of ways to add style to your living space by accessorizing your windows with drapes, blinds, and shutters. Adding a layer of window treatments, bold and colorful shades, motorized custom blinds, natural bamboo blinds, wooden shutters, and charming curtain rods can transform your living space, making it cozy, beautiful, and unique. Invest in classic window treatments that last long, save energy, and enhance your overall home decor. Thanks for watching.